Hello guys! So yesterday is birthday ng mother ko. Ang mother ko is apangpangan. So magaling siyang magluto and meron siyang mga recipes na pinamana sa akin na tinatry ko rin gawin ngayon. Like of course yung kare-kare, yung tamales which is very seldom lang ginagawa but I'll find time to cook it again, and then itong bringhe. Itong bringhe is like yung counterpart ng arroz valenciana. Pero meron lang siyang coconut milk. I think yung arroz valenciana is walang coconut milk. So, parang the same lang yung ingredients nila. Chicken, pork, and then nilagyan ko ito ng turmeric to add flavor and color. And of course, yung chorizo bilbao. And then, ipasimmer lang siya together with the coconut milk and then water. And then,